Okay, alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to be doing the Forex weekly outlook. Alright, so we'll be looking at DXY first of all to know where DXY is trending, where the market is currently moving at. Alright, so first of all, we notice that currently the market has been giving series of higher lows, right, on the daily time frame. From here, see clear this one and want to be buying, right? All right, good. So we have this equal, relative equalize above, resting above, and all right. So we have that. All right. So we have this zone. Have this zone to look out for. This zone, right? All right, and we have this zone. All right, so market took out this liquidity before it's pushed all the way to the upside, right? Causing a break of structure above. From here, there was a clear break of structure from that point. Alright, so a clear break of structure from that point. And now, what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to push all the way up. Basically, we might see that price might take out, use this as liquidity, this first zone as liquidity, and come back to this original zone to now push all the way up. So you want to be very, very careful about what to do. Make sure you see your confirmation in this zone, in this first zone, to know where the market is going to. So we're bullish, generally bullish on DXY. So we want to check GBP USD. So basically, GBP USD have been on a downtrend for some time now. We saw that break of structure above, and we saw this break of structure below, giving us a clear change of character to the downside. A clear change of character to the downside, and now we have a zone here. We have a zone, another block, right? Another block resting above there. So what we might see is that price will come to this zone and mitigate that zone, tap in and give us a clear direction. Where's our external range liquidity? Just resting below there, and this is our range, right? From that to that place. So if you take your Fibonacci, you see that currently is at the premium zone where we can be selling to take out all this external range liquidity resting below. I hope this is clear. All right, so we want to see so price to come into the zone, mitigate the zone, and give us a clear direction, and we will be shorting from there. If you go to the 4 hours time frame, you see that there is a clear all right, so let me go to 2 hours. You see there's a clear mitigation block. We have that failure swing and we have this level. So I want to refine this to this level because that is a mitigation block. We have that failure swing, and what we're expecting price to come into that zone back to look for shorts, right? So we want to be shorting from this region. So when price comes to this zone, we should be looking to short all the way down.
Did you send your breakdown to it? Did you send your breakdown in addition? You sent your receipt of payment.
Alright, so we looking at this very closely. Alright, so for now, what we'll be seeing is want to look for opportunities to buy to that zone or just wait for that zone, right? So if you go to the 15 minutes time frame currently, see that price give us a clear shift of structure to the upside from here, failure swing, clear shift of structure. So you should be looking for price to trace into this zone and we should be buying to the upside. So that's for that's for GU, and now let's go to EU. So same thing for EU. We had this clear breaker structure to the up, clear breaker structure to the up. We had this change of character to the downside, and we saw that price came into okay, price came into this level. Alright, we had this liquidity resting above that zone that was taken out, and then we saw that push to the downside. So then we saw this break of structure again. So that break of structure again. And now where's our external range liquidity? We have this, and now we have this. These are current range. These are current range. And now we want to expect price to come into where 50%, which is currently at the 50% already. So what are we going to look out for? This is an order block. All right, this is our order block. This last buy candle. All right, so we want to go to the 4 hour time frame to find out the block. So we saw this break of structure to the upside. We saw this break of structure to the upside, and we saw this change of character to the downside. So there's not much refining, but we like to take it from this zone. Be that this was the last. This was the last. You can take it from there, or you can just wait for price to come all the way to this other block. Right. Right. So this is what we're expecting. This is what we're expecting. We're still expecting the market to push all the way up. Still expecting the market to push all the way up for EU. All right. Okay. For GG, let me just take out all these. And for GG, we have this all this break of structure to the up. What is break of structure? This other block. Alright, so price is currently at that place and wants to. So what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to go all the way up, right? Right. So like I said, for S
Because the money, that
NZD
15,000 you sent us for
NZD USD is a short. EU is a short.
yes.
GJ we are bullish. EU we are bearish. We want to just buy for the short term. By Wednesday we should be seeing the sell, and DXY is bullish. Uh, our British pound currency index is bearish, so that's why we want to be shorting. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, share. God bless you.